Hello, welcome to our video. Apple announced iPhone 15 will release in 2023. Expected date 30 September 2023. 12 GB RAM and multivariant max 1 TB ROM. 6.7-inch display. Rear camera triple camera 12 plus 12 megapixel. 6.7-inch display. 4500 milliampere battery and ultra fast charger. This phone will come with wireless charger also, and all Apple iPhone come multi-variant like Pro Max and Ultra Pro. This all our information will hopefully correct, but anytime Apple will change their decision. Thank you for watching our video.